everyone. Welcome to today's beginner's piano lesson. Today I'm going to be discussing how you are going to start playing piano as a beginner. Let's go to the lesson properly. The first thing you need to know is the letters of the music, which on most of the pianos ranges from C to B. As you can see on this piano here, you have 2 black keys, you have 3 black keys, you have 2 black keys, 3 black keys, and so you have it all through. Now, the 2 black keys, as to the left hand side of it, the letter C. And then goes the D. In alphabetical order, you have the E, you have F, to the left hand side of the 3 black keys, and then you have G next, and then you have A, you have B, which makes the 7 notes we use, or 7 letters we use in music. That is from C to B in that arrangement, which you can easily call from A to G. But on piano, we are having it from C to B. Now identify them first. The C at the left hand side of the 2 black keys, the F at the left hand side of the 3 black keys. Now look at it very well. After the C comes D in the alphabet order. Then you have E, and then from F also you have G. After F you have A, and then you have B. Now let's look at the black keys. What do they represent? Number 1, you have the C, and immediately after C you have C sharp, which is the next black key to read, to C. Then you have also D, and after D you have the D sharp. Now let's go to the F. This is F. You have to the next to the F you have the black key as F sharp. You have G, you have G sharp, you have A, you have A sharp. Now you will discover that among the letters you have only 2 that are not given sharp. You have the E, which you don't have any black key there, and then you have the B, which doesn't have any black key after it. So it means that you have E and B having no black keys immediately after them. Now let's go over it again from beginning. You have the C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and the last B. Now, another way you can still have what we call the flat. Coming from here, we call this B, we call it B flat, the next to it, that is moving backward. Then you have the A, and then you have the A flat, you have G, G flat, then you have F, here you have E, then you have E flat, you have D, you have D flat. What this simply means is that from the left hand side towards the right hand side, the movement there goes as sharp, while from the left hand towards the left hand you have movement of flat. So I'll start again just to make sure that it sticks to your memory. C, the next C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and then you have the B. Now moving backward, you have B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, and then you have the C. I hope this makes a meaning to you. Now, before I draw the curtain for today, I'm going to show you the little exercise you can do with your fingers. Then, using your 5 fingers, you have the fingers counted from the thumb down to the little. The thumb, the index, the middle finger, the ring, and the little. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is from the thumb. The thumb has 1, the index is 2, the middle finger has 3, the ring has 4, and then the little finger has 5. Same thing goes on the right hand. Now, if I want to do this exercise now, I'm going to start from the 5, which is the little finger on the C. I call this 5 fingering exercise. Starting from this, C, D, E, F, and G. That's on C major. Now C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Same thing goes on the right hand. Now I'm going to play here. The thumb is starting the 1 from here. Here I start with 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing here, you have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to mix the 2 of them together. Now let's see. Now you're starting with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left hand, while you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the right hand. Now playing the 2 of them together, you can just have it again. Now if you have a keyboard or a piano that is having a metronome, or you have a metronome with you, you can easily use your metronome to keep yourself at a beat. Now I'm going to increase the tempo. That's 130 BPM. If you practice this very well, it's going to be very useful for you. And also, it will help your fingers to be flexible enough to play very well as a beginner. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I believe if you're going to do this for several times, you're going to get